Get ready to match the star. Comic impressionist Fred Travelina. America's TV sweetheart Sally Struthers. Comedian Rip Taylor. Comedian Susan Norfleet. From Not Necessarily the News, Tom Hart. And from The Simpsons, Marsha Wallace. As we play the all-new star-studded Match Game. And here's the star of Match Game, Ross Schaefer.
Hello, everybody. Hi there. Welcome to Match Game. Thank you, Gene Wood. Oh, it's happy holidays. Happy holidays. Happy holidays. Fred, you have a happy holidays special,
yes,
don't you?
It's in syndication. It's called Christmas with the Stars.
Uh-huh.
And it's got all kinds of stars on there. And
stars.
I do some impressions, and I do Elvis Presley and Arnold Schwarzenegger and all that good stuff.
Well, do something for us now. Could you give us like a holiday rendition of yours?
Holiday.
Of any?
Wait, you got to help me out.
Well, what's this?
I'm going to do
It's
Frank
a
Sinatra
duet?
singing, and she's going to be my musical accompaniment.
Frank
Okay?
Sinatra.
Frank
Frank
Sinatra.
Sinatra?
We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Marge just about dislocated something trying to be your accompaniment. Now look at the finger. Yesterday you saw Marcia's finger. Now both fingers are taped.
Oh, hon, it's just a sad story. You know, the hubby and I were playing the shepherd and the pizza waitress last night. And I don't know, things just got a little rough. We had a new sheet, but it's another, you know.
Yeah. Well, you know what they say? You know what they say? Stay off it for a week. That's what they say. Hello, Tamara.
Which one of you was the waitress?
Really?
You have $5,550 so far. Good for you.
Oh.
Well, we have somebody. Hi, Ray. How are you?
Hi, how are you?
Well, I'm fine. How am I? Good. What is your story?
Well, I'm a retired school teacher from Omaha, Nebraska.
Are you
and
really?
enjoying California now.
Oh, you good. Good for you. You seen Match Game, haven't you?
Oh, yes.
Want to play it?
I sure do.
All right. You know what the object is here? Try to get as many matches as we can. She's the champion. Of course, she'll get to go first. A or B?
B, please.
Okay, here we go. You got a nice smile on your face there, Tom.
I'm ready.
You're ready.
sounds good.
Harry said, I just bought a toupee.
Hey. First time, too. How rude.
He's very sensitive.
He's very sensitive about it, isn't he?
Yes.
Yeah.
See, Ray's not wearing one.
But what happened with Harry's toupee?
Well, Harry's toupee, he just bought a toupee at Sleazy Sam's Discount Wig Shop.
Oh.
And it was a mistake.
How sleazy was it? Well, that's not the point, Susan. Oh, I'm
No,
sorry.
that wasn't the point at all.
I still want to know, though.
No, what a big mistake it was.
How big a mistake was it?
Never mind.
Oh, God.
Sleazy Sam's Discount Wig Shop. What a mistake. My new toupee has blank.
I got this piece from the leg of a dog. I go by a tree and this whole side goes up in the air.
All right. Sally's got her answer, Tamara. Just bought a toupee at Sleazy Sam's Discount Wig Shop, and it was a mistake because my new toupee has...
A bald spot.
Well, that's funny. Tamara, that's
bald
funny.
spot.
That is a good story.
funny
A
answer.
good
That's
answer.
very clever.
Did you hear that?
answer,
Did
but
you
it's a
hear that?
funny answer.
You're that professional entertainer saying, that is just too funny. That is Fred?
I said dandruff.
Dandruff, yeah.
Another good answer.
Toupee with dandruff. Sally.
Well, I was going to say the heartbreak of psoriasis, but then I couldn't spell heartbreak. I put dandruff.
And dandruff also. A new toupee.
See, now I have this problem because it was during the war, you know. It was helmets, army helmets,
Yeah.
short beds. But I used to use salt. Am I going too fast for you?
Yes, you are. No, I'm looking at your, I'm
I
looking
used
at
to
your
use
hair.
salt to make it look like dandruff. So I put dandruff because I have that problem.
Dandruff.
Can you keep it down, your enthusiasm? Thank you so much.
Bought a new toupee at Sleazy Sam's, and it was a mistake. My new toupee has what?
Lice.
It has
It's
lice. Tom?
I don't think it bodes well that both of the Southerners went the same direction. Fleas.
Please. Fleas and lice.
Lice, fleas, and cooties, my attorneys.
See, there's a reason why we're on the bottom.
I see that now. Ray, there's nowhere but up now. She didn't get a match. Did you hear that Dumb Donald took up bungee jumping?
What's a bungee?
Do you know what a bungee jumping is?
No.
This is where they wrap the little cord around your leg and you jump off a bridge and then you spring like a rubber band up. Bungee
bungee
diving,
cord.
bungee jumping.
Why would you want to do that, Ross?
It's Dumb Donald is doing
Oh,
it.
okay,
Yes.
okay. Well, that's of course.
So poor Donald, he tied one end of the bungee cord to the Brooklyn Bridge and the other end to his blank. Go with what you think will match. This music's in your special, isn't it?
Absolutely. It's the opening of City of
Yeah.
Angels.
What do you think, Susan?
I have to
All right, there have been brave enough to write an answer, Ray. Poor Donald, he tied one end of the bungee cord to the Brooklyn Bridge and the other end to his
neck.
His neck. See?
Yes.
See?
I said neck.
How about that for a match? Sally.
And not to be outdone, I said neck.
Neck. Bungee cord to the bridge. One
Well,
end
I
to
didn't
his,
know it was a suicide pact, and I didn't say neck, I said knees, because I didn't want to hurt the guy.
his knees.
Oh, you're Aunt Harry. Tried to make you feel welcome here. Wow. Get their names.
All right, Susan.
And I, for one, am very sorry about it, aren't you, Ross?
Tom, my grandmother's word for it was toupee.
Ray, I would love to match you because I love Omaha, honey. I got lucky there once. I love Omaha. Well, he tied one end to the Brooklyn Bridge and the other end to his car. I like it. I don't care. I like it, and it's the holidays.
Back to Match. You have 100 down. You don't have a score yet. We're just getting started with Match K. Please stay with us after these messages. Welcome back. At the end of the first round, our champ Tamara has no score yet. Ray, you're in the lead. You have 100. Time for matchup. This is where you can build up your score by playing against the clock. And you'll go first now, Tamara.
Susan, please.
Oh,
Okay.
Tamara.
All right, Susan. We're going to show you a series of possible matchups. Choose what you think is the best answer, and then every time you and Susan agree, you get $50. We'll put 30 seconds on our clock. Ready? Go. Murder blank. Murder Incorporated, Murder She Wrote.
Murder, She Wrote.
Match. Tea blank. Tea party, tea leaves.
Tea Party.
Match. Band of blank. Band of gypsies, band of gold.
Band of Gold.
Match. Support blank. Support group, support hose.
Support Group.
No match. Knuckle blank. Knuckle under, knuckle sandwich.
Knuckle Under.
No match. Cattle blank. Cattle drive, cattle call.
Cattle Call.
No match. Ex blank. Ex-wife, ex-lax.
Ex-Wife.
No match. Pack up.
Oh, I'm sorry, Tamara. That's okay. We started out well. We did.
You got 3 matches. Ray.
Oh,
Marcia.
oh.
Okay, you and Marcia. For you. All right. Remember now, $50 per every match. We'll put 30 seconds on our clock. Ready? Go. Mother's blank. Mother's helper, Mother's Day.
Mother's Day.
Match. Snake blank. Snake skin, snake pit.
Snake Pit.
No match. Ted blank. Ted Danson, Ted Kennedy.
Ted Danson.
Match. Bill of blank. Bill of health, bill of goods.
Bill of Health.
Match. Milton blank. Milton Berle, Milton Bradley.
Milton Berle.
Match. Mass blank. Mass appeal, mass media.
Mass appeal.
No match. Oh, we're out of time. Ray, you're taking over here. 300 to 150. We'll be right back after these words. Score now 300, Tamara at 150. You've got some work cut out for you here, huh?
I do.
A or B?
B, please.
Okay.
Good choice.
You're so enthusiastic. You're always
I am.
supportive, aren't
I
you?
love this show.
Little Johnny said, "We moved to a new neighborhood and there aren't any kids around."
Oh. Yay.
You know, kind of like your neighborhood, wasn't it? You know how people play chess by mail? Well, I have to play blank by mail. Let's put things on each other's trees. Rip?
Excuse
Yeah, okay,
me?
put me on.
Well, the holidays just make you just kinky as the dickens.
All right, Tamara. Little Johnny said we moved to a new neighborhood. There aren't any kids around there. You know how people play chess by mail? We have to play what by mail?
Baseball.
Baseball by mail. Play baseball by mail. How about that, Fred? Baseball by mail?
My name is Michael Kay. I don't believe she said baseball by mail because I said friends by mail.
Oh, you had to,
I
you
got
had to
the
play
thing
friends?
with- Come on, let me have it. All right, now you got it out of your system.
He just gets a little reprimand. I get lambasted.
Sally?
Well, if it had been little Susie, it was going to be hopscotch by mail. But you said little Johnny,
Little
so
Johnny,
I was
yeah.
forced to say baseball.
Baseball by mail. Rip.
Now, I love kids, but I can't bear them. Now, by mail, I have played tag by mail many years ago. I played Monopoly many years ago. And I played checkers many years ago by mail. And that goes for your
Checkers
cat,
by
too,
mail,
you know.
Susan.
That's the dodgeball.
Oh, dodgeball. Oh, I used to love that game. I love that game.
You'd get big welts on your face. It was a great game.
That was.
I'm sorry, though.
Tom?
It was close.
Well, I was trying to find an interesting game to play by mail, one that I would like to play by mail, and I think it's hide and seek.
That would be good.
That'd be a good.
Yeah.
Well,
I'm hidden.
Yeah.
Tamara, I'm just sick about this. I could slap myself, but I've been injured enough this week.
Yes.
So I'm not going to. I said baseball, I changed it to hide and seek.
Hide and seek.
No,
All right. Ray, here we go.
Look, here's my baseball.
Don't look at me.
Now, we've all been on diets, huh?
Yes.
All right. The diet doctor said that Oprah Winfrey has no willpower at all.
Well, that
While
wasn't...
she was in my waiting room, she ate the blank.
Oh, no, we're not.
I don't know.
I thought of that when.
Oprah Winfrey has no willpower at all.
You think not?
I don't. I think it's. I think you. I don't know if I can comment. I don't want to steer you in the wrong direction, and yet, it's a laugh. All right, Ray. Diet doctor said that willpower. Oprah has no willpower at all. She was in the waiting room and she ate the.
Magazines.
Ray.
Take the magazines, Fred.
I'm Arnold Schwarzenegger. I love Oprah. I always love to go on to her show and talk about intellectual things that move the spirit. But I said couch.
Couch. Ate the couch.
No control!
Ate the couch. Sally?
Ray, you're going to like this.
Yes.
I thought this was incredibly creative. Oprah ate the December issue of Gourmet magazine.
That's a good one. Yeah, sure, that's a match.
She was very hungry when I last saw her. She ate not only the magazine, she ate the couch.
The couch.
Too.
She ate the couch. She was in the waiting room and she ate the.
Well, does the offer still stand?
What?
That you
I will
made to
take
me
back
before?
everything if you get this right?
Ray, I love Omaha. It's where the Gerald Ford birthplace is. It is, and I go there once a year to the Gerald Ford birthplace. But give yourself more than a day. You can't see it all in a day. Can you, Ray? You can't.
10
It's
minutes,
not possible. But Ray, I said magazine.
Oh, she said magazine. You've redeemed yourself. You're a genius.
Thank you.
All right, Tom?
I didn't even consider the magazines because you know how long those things have been there?
Oh.
I said couch.
Couch. All right, Marcia, while she was in the waiting room, she ate the...
Nurse.
The nurse.
Yeah, now I said that.
Now, you see why I didn't want to give that away? It's time now for final matchup. Whoever is ahead at the end of this round wins the game and a chance to play for a possible $10,000. Tamara, you're trailing right now, so we'll let you go first. Who do you want to play with?
Okay, Sally, please.
Okay, you and Sally.
Well, maybe not.
This time, matchups
Gather
are worth
yourself
$100. You get 45 seconds instead of 30 to get as many as you can. You got to get at least 400 to stay in the game. Ready, Tamara? Go. Baby blank. Baby face, baby Ruth.
Baby face.
Match. Hold it. We have something wrong with the computer? Is it fixed now? Yeah. All right, good. We'll put 41 seconds on the clock. Ready? Go. Self blank. Self-pity, self-service.
Self-pity.
Match. Twisted blank. Twisted logic, twisted sister.
Twisted sister.
No match. Head of blank. Head of lettuce, head of the class.
Head of lettuce.
No match. Stepping blank. Stepping stone, stepping out.
Stepping stone.
Match. Nelson blank. Nelson Mandela, Nelson Rockefeller.
Nelson Mandela.
Match. Shooting blank. Shooting star, shooting gallery.
Shooting star.
Match. Toy blank. Toy poodle, toy soldier.
Toy soldier.
Match. Glass blank. Glass houses, glass blower.
Glass houses.
That's a match. Fortune blank. Fortune hunter, Fortune 500.
Fortune 500.
Match. Excellent job. That is a great number of matches. 8 matches is very tough. All right, Ray, pressure is on you now. Who do you want to play with?
Rip.
You and Rip Taylor? All right. Okay, now she has 1,000. You have 400. To beat her, you've got to beat 1,000. All right, let's put 45 seconds on our clock. Ready? Go. Hot blank. Hot point, hot air.
Hot air.
No match. Mud blank. Mud pie, mud wrestling.
Mud pie.
No match. 4 blank. 4 seasons, 4 on the floor.
4 seasons.
Match. A blank. A bomb, A-OK.
A-OK.
Match. Will blank. Will call, Will Rogers.
Will call.
No match. High blank. High finance, high fashion.
High fashion.
Match. I blank. Eye of the tiger, eye shadow.
Eye shadow.
Match. Chris blank. Chris Kringle, Chris Christopherson.
Chris Kringle.
Match. Dry blank. Dry rot, dry martini.
Dry martini.
Match. Belly blank. Belly dancer, belly ache.
Belly dancer.
Match and win. Whoa. Ray, come on over. Man, you had 2 seconds left. Ray, congratulations. What a victory, what a victory. Tamara, thank you very much for playing. You leave us with $5,550. Thank you very much for playing. Good, Ray. All right, we'll take a short break. Come right back with our big money super match. Did very well. Come from behind victory with 2 seconds left. You had to get it to win the game, you and Rip. Now we're going to go for the big money. You shot at over $10,000, and we'll start with an audience match. We polled a recent studio audience, Ray, and got their best response to this. Blank Society. Now, if you can guess the most popular answer, you get $500. Second most popular answers were $300. Third best answer, $200. Okay, now you can get some help from 3 of our stars, too.
Okay, Susan.
Ray, I'd have to say High Society.
2 more.
Tom.
Great Society.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, 1 more.
And Sally.
Boy, I'm completely blank on anything that would come from a society.
I'd love to help.
Yeah, can anybody on this
I
help?
know.
I don't know.
I don't know society.
And I don't know society.
I don't know society.
No,
Oh, we're out of time. So we have 2. We have High Society, Great Society, or one of your own, Ray.
I can't think of any either, but I
let's
know what I want to go for.
Do you? Or what?
Sure, High Society.
High Society, okay.
Yeah, there's nothing else.
All right, let's see what
America,
you've done
okay.
here. What is the $200 answer, please? Humane Society.
Humane. Oh, of course.
Yeah, let's see. How about the $300 answer? Dead Poets Society.
No kidding. Isn't that funny?
Yeah, all right. The one we need, though, is High Society. Please be there. Okay, all right. $500. These will be playing for at least 10 times that amount, or $5,000 by matching one of our stars head-to-head. Lucky spin on this, we'll give you a double. Ready? All right, Ray, why don't you get up there? Snuggle up close to that tree.
The old Hanukkah bagel.
Yeah. Give it a spin, Ray, and let us know who you're going to play with.
Here we go.
Anytime. Yep.
Whoa!
There it goes.
Oh! And a double. Double, Ray. Double, come on.
Stop. Whoa. Keep going.
All right, it's you and Fred Travelina playing for $5,000. Ray, if you'll come over here, turn and face me. We have to have an exact match for you to win that money. So, Fred, please write down your best answer for this. Over my blank. Over my blank. No help from our audience, please. Okay, Fred's got an answer. Ray, what were you thinking of?
Over my dead body.
Over my dead body. Fred, $5,000 at stake.
You know, I come on here, I told you this one week before, I come on here to make myself look good. This guy, this has been $5,000, it's the holiday season, but I gotta look like the bad guy, because I had to go and say, dead body.
Congratulations, $5,000 winner, plus the money from the front. We'll talk about how much you have right after these words.
BUZZR has all your favorite game show sets. Then, we just add stars.
Dynamite.
Hand them the money. And our newest game show set.
Welcome to The Price is Right. Well, I mean, that's rich.
BUZZR, let's play. For more fun and games, visit BuzzRTV.com.
Ray, you have $6,100.
Ooh, wonderful.
Yeah, ooh, wonderful. He'll be back as our champion.
Yes.
We'll see you on the next match game, folks. Bye-bye, everybody.
Departing contestants will receive Fleischmann Cheese to warm their hearts with fresh homemade bread. Fleischmann Cheese for heartwarming results every time. Vivitar 320Z compact autofocus camera with built-in power zoom lens. Beautiful 35mm pictures from scenics to portraits by Vivitar. Soft touch puts design and fashion into fitness, coordinated bodywear, and Antron lycra fibers. Bright colors and new silhouettes for any workout from Soft Touch. This is Gene Wood speaking for Match Game, a Mark Goodson television production.